kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1 to 3 countings. Colors name: black color, pink color, dark blue color, red color, yellow color, brown color, orange color and sky blue color. Let's start. Green color, one, one. Orange color, two, two. Yellow color, three, three. Blue color, four. Green color, five. Orange color, six. Yellow color, seven. Green color, eight. Orange color, nine. Blue color, ten. Blue color, eleven. Orange color, twelve. Yellow color, thirteen. Blue color, fourteen. Green color, fifteen. Yellow color, sixteen. Green color, seventeen. Orange color, eighteen. Yellow color, nineteen. Orange color, twenty. So kids, what we learn today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.